Hello traders, welcome back to Friday University, where I teach you what they don't teach you in school. Today, I mean business, as you could tell by the shirt and tie. I'm Neal Patharkar, and in this video, we're going to go over my day trade on ticker ANPC. And this is a simulated trade for my new brokerage account. I'm currently in a transition period, but I still want to go over the strategy and the lesson behind it that I can help you profit the way I did on my simulated account for $169 in 1 hour. Let's get into the chart. ANPC. I'm going to take it nice and slow and show you from the beginning my thought process as I shorted this stock. Because this stock had a pre-market gap up identified through my scanner, I was able to notice that it was going to have substantial volume and movement today's market action. So it went from 3.2 to 5 early in the morning. After that, I noticed this pullback. So after seeing this pullback, I'm wondering, is it going to continue to downtrend or should it go up? So I looked at the 1 year, 1 day chart and I noticed this stock was always downtrending, noticed by this line. And even when it had a gap up identified right here, it still closed relatively down and weak. I'm betting on the history repeating itself and that this stock will open relatively normally higher than the closing price and it will continue to downtrend. So my entry was here in this highlighted circle. So now risk management wise, how did I identify what to do? Well, I pull up my position size calculator and I'm risking $200 at most, and I'm going to win a different amount depending on where I sell and then I buy back. Because I'm shorting the stock, I sold first, and that's my entry price at 4.25, and I'm betting on it to go down. Now, because I won and the stock never hit 3.6 or 3.3 as I say here, how did I take a win? Well, I decided to get out 3.65 because the chart was telling me that it's going to hold at that level, and I might as well take the win, right? A nice win is a nice win in 1 hour. Now, risk-wise, I entered at 4.25, and if the price went up to 4.9, I would have taken a loss. However, I was betting on the odds that it wasn't going to hit these pre-market high of days, and it was going to continue to downtrend. So with that entry, I was able to sell in this range and be happy with the win, and I'm learning that with a bearish market, stocks that gap up and have similar chart history like this one of doing relatively weak with gap ups, I would rather predict it to go down and short the stock than it to go up. As a result, I was able to get a nice win, and thank you for listening. Hit that subscribe. If you want to learn more about my day trading strategy, I'm going to put more videos like this one as I start making real live money trades, and hopefully I can make some profit, because I think this strategy is really lucrative in the fact that it's easy to identify. I can have a nice risk tolerance and still make a profit, and now that I'm going to get the hard to borrow shares with my new broker, I'm going to be able to capitalize on these kind of stocks every single day. And yes, I can get in the pre-market, which is when I enter before 9:30. And I think that's important because a lot of times they fail to hold these pre-market highs like shown here by the time the market opens, and it's already too late to enter. I would rather get in here at the highest possible price and short it to go down. So thank you for listening and good luck.